If you've been hearing about AI agents everywhere and thinking that it's something that requires an advanced degree to complete, well, think again. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to build your own AI agents totally free in n8n. Check this out. Daily report, we're going to want to run this daily. That means we're going to want to trigger this on a schedule. So let's go ahead and add our first step. And this step is going to be a schedule trigger, and then we're going to run it every day at 8 a.m. So let's go ahead and set this to run on a cron job. We're going to pop this right in here. There's our schedule, and then we'll execute this step. So now we know that this will run every single day at 8 a.m. Next, we're going to add our AI agent. This is the core of the process. This is what's going to run the process, decide what needs to be done. So this is our AI agent. But before we prompt it, let's go ahead and get all of the modeling set up. Now, this is where the first thing we have to do is we have to come down here and add chat model. We have to add memory if we want it, and then add any tools that we need. Most importantly being that chat model, which is going to be the real brain of this. So back to our agent, we've got our OpenAI chat model. We want to come down and pick, again, my favorite one to use right now, which is this GPT-4o mini. So we'll connect that. We're going to go and add a tool. And here we're going to add Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and add the Google Sheets tool. There it is right there. For this, we want it to get rows. We want it to go read our daily report that we showed earlier. So we'll go to our daily report, go to sheet 1, and then we want to come down here and output formatting. We want to make sure that our values are coming in formatted so that the AI tool knows that these are dollars. We'll execute that step. Perfect. And so here is the data coming in from our tools. You'll see there's our Astoria location, Lower Manhattan, and you'll recognize some of these comments and data from what we had before. So we've gotten our rows, we've got our chat model. Now we can prompt and run the agent. So we'll come back here and open this up. All right, so you don't have to watch me type. I'm going to paste this in and kind of read you what we have here. So you are a finance analyst. Review data in your Google Sheets tool. You have to tell the AI where to get it. Sometimes it's not entirely clear on where it needs to. So even though it's connected, it helps to just say, hey, go to the Google Sheets tool. Summarize the most recent day's KPI movements in 3 to 5 concise bullet points. Highlight the biggest changes, key drivers, and potential actions. Use simple, executive-friendly language, and format the output as an email. We want to make sure that it doesn't give us some kind of crazy formatting that's not really usable. So that's what we need there. We've got this all set up. Let's go ahead and execute and see what we get. So now as it's executing, it's sending the data to ChatGPT. It's running through the 4o mini model, and then it's going to come back with the analysis. And here is the analysis. And then our last step is going to be to connect this to Gmail so it can set up our draft for us. So we're going to go ahead and have this create a draft. Our subject line is going to be daily report. We're going to go ahead and pull in some context. And then the message is going to be data. So we're just going to drag and drop again. Love the drag and drop of n8n. There it is. We'll go ahead and execute this step. All right, so it says it's created the message. Let's go see if that is correct. So here I am in my email drafts. We'll go ahead and open this up. And here is our email. Look how awesome.